Hi dears, good morning all of you. Welcome back to our chemistry class. In our previous classes, we learned about some scientific theory about the structure of the atom. In this video, continuation of that topic. So today we are going to discuss some another scientific theory related to atom. The first theory is proposed. Today we learn the first theory proposed by the scientist named James Chadwick. Scientist named James Chadwick. According to him, he find out that in the nucleus of an atom include a particle, chargeless neutral particle having the mass equal to that of proton. What is? Chadwick find out that the chargeless particle in the nucleus of an atom, an atom that have a mass equal to that of proton. These chargeless particles are called neutron. Then this is the first point of his theory. What is? He find out a chargeless particle in the nucleus, and these chargeless particles are called neutron. And the second point, whole mass of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus. All mass of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus because the proton and neutron possess a mass in the nucleus. That is the second point. Whole mass of the atom concentrated in the nucleus. Why? The reason proton and neutron possess mass in the nucleus. That's why whole mass is concentrated in the nucleus. And then third point, all the elements are made up of the particles electron, proton, neutron. What is the third point? All elements are made up of the particles electron, proton and neutron. We represented as small letter E, P and N. P-E-P-N. What is E? Electron, proton and neutron. This is the 3 point founded by Chadwick. All of you understand? First one, he find out neutron in the nucleus. Neutron have a chargeless particle and he find out all mass are concentrated in the nucleus. Then all atom of the elements are made up of 3 particles using 3 particles, electron, proton and neutron. Next, we are going to discuss about features of electron, proton and neutron. Features of electron, proton and neutron. Electron, proton and neutron. is a negative charge particle. Electron is negative charge particle. Proton is positive charge particle. The charge of the electron is negative, charge of the proton is positive, and neutron is the chargeless particle. Chargeless particle. Neutron is a chargeless particle. This is the first features of the electron, proton and neutron. Second one, mass is less. The mass of the electron is very less. Mass of the proton is equal to hydrogen atom. Mass of the proton is equal to hydrogen atom. Same mass of the neutron also equal to hydrogen atom. And the third point is electron is seen outside of the nucleus. Outside of the nucleus. Electrons are seen in the outside of the nucleus. Protons are seen inside of the nucleus. Also neutrons are seen inside of the nucleus. These are the features of electron, proton and neutron. First one, positive charge, negative charge electron, negative charge. Mass is very less. Outside, it is seen in the outside of the nucleus. Proton, positive charge equal to the mass is equal to hydrogen atom. It is seen in the inside the nucleus. Neutron is a chargeless particle. Its mass is equal to hydrogen atom and it is seen in the inside of the nucleus. These are the features of a electron. Next, atom is electrically neutral. Why? You have any idea about that? Atom is electrically neutral. Why we say atom is electrically neutral? Because atom is electrically neutral because the number of electron equal to number of proton. Because in an atom, number of electron equal to the number of proton. So the charge of the electron is negative and charge of the proton is positive. These cancel out, so the atom is called electrically neutral. Because I repeated once more, the number of present in an electron present in a atom is equal to that of the proton, number of proton. So the positive charge of electron and negative charge of electron and positive charge of the proton are cancelled out. So we can say that the atom is electrically neutral. Atom is electrically neutral. Next, the another scientific theory is proposed by Rutherford. Rutherford's planetary model. According to Rutherford, he find out an atom has a center. This is the first point. An atom has center. And then he find out whole mass are concentrated in the nucleus. Second point, whole mass of an atom are concentrated in the nucleus. All whole mass of the atom are concentrated in the nucleus. And he arranged an atom, parts of a atom he arranged as a solar system. He related to the structure of atom to solar system. And what is solar system? In solar system have a center. The solar system have center, and atom also have center. Solar system have center, atom also have a center. This is the first point. Next, sun is at the center. In solar system, sun is at the center. In the case of atom, nucleus is at the center. Nucleus is at the center. In solar system, planet revolve around the nucleus in orbit. In solar system, planets are revolve around the sun in orbit. In atomic structure, electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a shell. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a shell. He compared the solar system and the atomic structure. So his model is known as planetary model, or solar system model of a atomic structure. So today we discussed two structure of atom. First one, James Chadwick, he find out the chargeless particle, that is neutron, and he also find out whole mass of an atom is concentrated in the nucleus, and all atom of the elements are made up of proton, neutron and electron. And then we discuss Rutherford planetary model. He arrange the part of an atom to solar system, like a solar system, and he said that atom have a center. In the center of the atom contain nucleus, and electron are revolve around the nucleus. That's all today. Thank you.